2018 Ford Focus ST. It's a very fun car to drive, nice and nimble, hot hatch, one of hot hatch in the market. Very nice interior, you know. We have the window control over here, mirror control, lock control, lighting control, and come to the steering wheel. We have our information control here, cruise control, audio control, flat bottom, very nice with the ST red sticker on it. Then come to the cluster gauge, very nice and classic cluster gauge. We have the RPM gauge on the left here, speedometer on the right. In the center there we have the displays for information. Down below we got the fuel gauge and temperature gauge. And come to the center here on the top here, you'll find the boost gauge, oil pressure, and oil temperature gauge up there. And right down here you have the infotainment screen, nice and small, you know, let's keep it simple. Below that is the audio control system panel, audio control panel. Down the bottom here you'll find AC control panel down there. Come with the Syncs, I believe it's a Microsoft software. Then we have the 6-speed manual stick shift, very nice and simple with the red detail on it. 12-volt outlet, traction control switch, and we have the USB connection right there. And over here, very nice and simple lock box. And yep, other than that, this is a very nice car and good looking, hot hatch. So let's see if you can hear that exhaust. Let's start it up. Yeah, that blow off there. Now let's see if you can hear it from here. Very nice blow off there. That's cool. Alright, that's good. Too much fun on this one. Hey, hello my friends, welcome back. Here I am in oldie goodie 2018 Ford Focus ST. We got a 2.0 liter turbo, 4-cylinder, and a 6-speed manual transmission. Upgraded with the aftermarket intake and aftermarket exhaust. So let's make it the exhaust sounds a little a little loud, but it's not too bad. It's still acceptable until we drive in entertainingly. Then the exhaust will get a little louder, but other than that, it's gonna be a fun experience. Get that blow off valve, pretty nice. got very nice exhaust sound. The interior looks nice and simple. The steering wheel looks sporty with the flat on the bottom. So good though, that blow off valve, just like music to my ear. Just love that. I mean, this car is like pretty nimble and easy to drive, you know, well balanced at higher speed. Taking corner is pretty nice and tight. It has a lower spring on this one too, so it's improve the handling a tad more compared to stock foam. Yeah, it's actually driving really good, and in the interior you'll find it's pretty familiar with other four. You know, window control, lock control switch. On the steering wheel you'll have the audio control, phone connection, cruise control, and information control over here. Very classic cluster gauge. So an RPM, odometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge. And we have the boost gauge, temperature gauge, and others gauge up there. see that this one is front wheel drive car, and it has like, what is it, like 260 horsepower around there, as I recall. It's a decent amount of power for this front wheel drive car. It's fun to drive, handling is good, strong braking, shifting is very smooth. The 6-speed manual transmission shifting is very smooth and easy. So yeah, it's a good fun car to drive. Compared to the you know, the, what is it, last time, the Volkswagen Golf GTI. It's another hot hatch, and then this one is another hot hatch. You can check it out, and it's actually pretty fun to drive, nimble. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this car. If you're in the market for the hot hatch, a used hot hatch, or a new one, this Ford Focus ST is a decent car. It's a fun car to drive, and I mean, I don't know about long term reliable, but it's actually a pretty decent car. Well, so let's check out this interior. You know, very nice and simple setup. You know, with the Ford ST stitching on it, and the back seat there. Very roomy in the back because it's a hatchback, so you can feel less cramped in these hot hatchback. 2018 Ford Focus ST. So the rear seat, it has a decent amount of room, and a nice detail with white and black. Well, it's looking good. With 18-inch wheel, you've got a decent amount of cargo back here. And then you got a spare tire, dual tip exhaust, SD. Look very nice, hot hatch style. It's one of my favorite one. Under the hood, you'll find the 2.0 turbo engine with the red detail SD leather on the cover. Very nice and clean down here. Alright, welcome back to the driver's seat. Exhaust sound. Alright, ST. Thank you for coming with me. Thank you for checking out this car. It's a cool car, good looking hot hatch, hatchback style, and it's pretty fun car to drive. So thank you for coming. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.